Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I went to a different Dollar Tree that I don't normally go to, and I found a lot of cute stuff that I haven't seen, like some yarns and more of those shadow box houses and so much more, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So today's DIY is going to be quick and easy, and I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. Now let's go start some crafting. So the first DIY is, I call them letter envelopes or love letter. It's very simple. You're gonna need a foam board, a pencil, a X-Acto knife, and some type of measurement. My measurement right here, I am going for 1.5 inches by 1/2 inch, but you can do, bigger or smaller. It's up to you, okay? I had to resize the heart stickers. I wanted mine to be like really small so it would fit on, my measurement. So I had to resize them, and then use any kind of flat paper or credit card or whatever, or a ruler to make the lines, to make them look like envelopes, like so. And then just peel the stickers and put the sticker on. Or if you don't have stickers, you can just draw the heart, and that's fine too. I'm just using whatever I have at home, and they turn out so cute. I'm gonna make a lot more because I have many Gumball canister I want to fill up. This next one is super easy. I'm just gonna give the Gumball machine canister a makeover. So I wouldn't call this a DIY, but So I'm spraying mine with a semi-gloss white, and then fill it up with whatever base fillers you have. And then I add a bow to it in the end, and that is it. This one is super easy. The longest part is, waiting for the paint to dry, but I like this look. It looks way better than the red. My sister made a comment to me that the red color, it looks so fake because I think it's too shiny, and I think she's right. This next DIY is for whoever that could not find this Gumball canister. It is very hard to find because it's very popular. So this is the alternate version, okay? All you're gonna need is a lid, a wooden bead, and a cup. One that's kind of wide on the bottom would be best, and a glass bowl. All you need really is just 1 cup for the bottom, but I decided to use 3 because I wanted mine to be a little taller. So all you gotta do is spray paint the base and the lid and the bead, and then you're going to glue the glass bowl onto the cup, and that is it. This one is super easy, okay? And once your paint is dry, see, just add the glass bowl and then add the lid, and then that's it. and then fill it with whatever vase fillers you have, just like the actual Gumball Canister. You can add a bow to it if you wanted to. And then I decided to turn the heart around and cut out a round piece of white paper and just Mod Podge it onto the base, you know, in case you don't want to use the heart, you know, whatever you have at home. Everything I use in this video for the DIYs is whatever I have at home. For this next DIY, I'm only gonna need a house shadow box and some heart stickers. So I trace out the shape of the house, and I'm going to put a white piece of paper to cover the background with Mod Podge. Just super easy. And then arrange the heart stickers and then just peel and stick. It really is that easy and simple, you guys. And then in the end, I decided to add a coat of Mod Podge over the hearts just to secure it better. This last DIY, I love it. All you need is some yarn and some kind of heart templates, I want to say. I got these wood ones from Dollar Tree, but if you don't have it, just draw a shape heart on, like, you know, a foam board or whatever, or like a poster board, and cut it out, and you can achieve the same results. Okay, all we gotta do is wrap the yarn around the heart until it covers the heart, and then after all the hearts are done, cut out a, you can use whatever type of string to hang up you like. I'm just going to use this twine that I have right here. We're going to hot glue it on the back of the heart, and that is it. Then hang it up and decorate it. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me again, and thank you for watching. I hope you like all of these DIYs. It's still plenty of time to make it for Valentine's decoration, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye, guys.